Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik and in today's video we are going to do probability. So basically what is probability? Probability in Hindi we say संभावना, मीनिंग किसी चीज के आने की कितनी संभावना है. We can say it like that. So for example, if you say there might be a rain, so if you are saying like the weather is rainy and rain is coming, so you would say rain is coming. There is not like when you will say rain is coming, then it will stop just. So let me take an example if this was confusing. So this is a bag. Okay, now I will put it four markers of different colors. One is blue, one is red, one is black, and one is green. I mix them up. Now you tell me what is the probability of getting the green marker. There are four of it. And how many I require? I require only one. So if I take it, it is not green. Now I will add one more. Now what is the probability of getting a black marker? See, there are now total 5 of them, 5 markers. But I require only a black marker and there are 2 of them. So the probability of getting a black marker will be 2 upon 5. Okay, number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. See, if I take, it is also not black, it is black. So there are 2 by 5 chances of getting it. So let me write the formula. So probability of an event meaning at the place of event you can write if a coin is tossed, so what is the probability of getting a head. For it we have to make a sample space, but now I will tell you only the formula. Probability of an event, so the outcomes will the probability will be total, favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So this is our formula of probability. Now let's take an firstly I will tell you the probability of an event cannot be more than 1 or less than 0. It cannot be negative and also cannot be more than 1. So if the sure chance is there, like I will say that tomorrow will be morning. This is the night time, but tomorrow there will be morning. So it is not like tomorrow the sun will be disappeared. So it is proved that tomorrow will be morning. It is 100%. So we will have one probability. But we say there will be no tomorrow. There will be no morning tomorrow. It is not possible. Why? Because sun cannot disappear, and it will have 0 chances, meaning no chance. Okay, so chances can't be in negative. Okay, now what is sample space? Sample space are the total number of outcomes which can occur during a thing when it is done. So for example, if I take example of a coin, so two coins. One coin first I will take. A coin is tossed. So what can we get? We can get only two things, H comma T, and then we close them into a curly bracket. Okay, this is a sample space. Sample space equal to, and we will write this one. Okay. Now, if I toss two coins, so what can be the sample space? It will be head in both the coins. We might get head in both the coins. We might get tail both the coins. We can also get one head and other tail. One head, comma, other tail. And one more thing, we can also get one tail and other head. How these are not different? Because if you see in first one, it is this coin head and this coin tail, but in second one it is this coin tail and this one head, so they both are different. Now I will come to our main topic. I have to erase it first. Yes, so I have erased it. We will come to playing cards. Playing cards. So how many total cards are there? There are 52 cards. 52, out of which 26 are red and 26 are black. Okay, 26 red, 26 black, and they are further divided. These are divided. One is, see, this one is club, which we call chidi club. These are 13 in number, and one is spade, which we call hukum, and this is called spade, spade. Yes, these are also 13 in number, but this red one is also divided into two. This one is diamond, which we call eat. And what is this one? This is heart, which we call pan. These are also 13 and these are also 13. And out of these 13, yes, we have total 3 face cards. Face cards. How many? 3. And other 10 are number cards. 10 are number cards. I mean number cards. See, out of number cards, there is one called A, which is ace. So, the dolphin card is also known as what? The spade ace, the ace of spade, which we call hukum kaika, is also known as the dolphin card, because it has the highest points during a game of playing cards. Okay, number cards there are 10, out of which there is one ace, one, and how many? 2 to 10 numbers, which are 9. Okay, so, and in the face cards there are 3 face cards. One is queen, one is king, and one is jack. There are 3: queen, king, and jack. Okay, these queen, king, and jack are in all of them. Okay, now I have told you all of these. Now I will tell you about the coins. Sorry, I will tell you about the dice. See, a dice. This is a dice. Here, this thing over here, this is a dice. Okay, when there are so many things, 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay, these are this is a dice. It has the sample space. Sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are total 6 outcomes which can occur if we toss a dice. Dice, instead of it we can say die, D-I-E, okay. So there are two types of dice. One is biased and other is non-biased. See, biased is a dice. Like instead of this, uh, in a dice, it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This also 6 and this also 6. So it will be a biased dice. Means you can say it is like a cheating because it has all the sides only for 6. But if it is a non-biased dice, so it will be like a normal dice and it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now I will explain you all of these things with some questions. तो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर मैंने सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस लिख लिए जो कि ये सिर्फ कार्ड्स के हैं, लेकिन अभी हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं, हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है एक किंग की और एक नंबर कार्ड एक्सेप्ट एस, ब्लैक क्वीन, रेड एस. But if you see nicely, then what we have to do, we will have to use steps because no one is going to give you marks for free. So firstly you will write P and P getting a king, getting a king. So how many total kings are there? Because you know that in all the 4 types of cards there are one kings, because one is in spade, one is in club, one is in diamond and one is in hearts. Okay, so there are total 4 kings. So we can write 4 kings divided by how many? How many kings are there? I mean, how many total are there? 52. So 4 by 52 will be our answer. Now B. B what? Number card except ace. So how many number cards are there in each set? So there are total 10 cards in 10 number cards in each set including ace. But if you cut the ace, so only 9 will be left in one set. So there are 4 sets. Now 9 into 4, 9 4s are 36. So we will have 36 by 52. Probability of getting number card, getting number card except ace equal to 36 upon 52. Now I will not write this statement because you might have understood. Now black queen. So there are 2 blacks, 2 sets of black color, and in each set of black color there is one queen. So a black queen will be, so C will be 2 upon 52 because there are 2 black queens out of 52. Now red ace. How many aces are there in total? There are 4 aces, in 2 in red and 2 in black. But we have to tell only red aces, so there are 2. 2 divided by 52. Now I want to tell you something. See, if 2 dice are thrown, 2 die. So how will you find the probability, or how will you make the sample space? To make sample space, you have to like know how many samples can be there. To know them, you have to just multiply the, I mean, you have to just add the power. No, firstly you have to put the total outcomes, total number of outcomes, and to the power, there will be power to n. And what is n? N will be the number of things thrown. Let me take an example. Like 3 dice are thrown. 3 die. So total number of outcomes will be like there are total 6 outcomes. I mean there are total 6 numbers in die, but there are 3 dice are thrown. So the total will be 6 to the power 3, meaning number of dice thrown will be the power and total number of outcome will be the base. So 6 is the 36, 36 is the 216 outcome will be there. Okay, 216 outcome. And if you same do the with the coin, so if you say 4 coins, so it will be 2 to the power 4, which is 16 outcomes will be 16 outcomes will be there in the probability, I mean the sample space. So let's take a question for the probability of coin. So see friends, this is the question for the coins. So there are 3 coins tossed. So what will be the sample space? Sample space will be like in bracket we will write head, head, head. Total will be 8 because I told you no. There are total head and tail means in total number of outcomes are 2 and to the power 3 because 3 coins are tossed. So head, 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 tail, 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 and we can write head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, and tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and head, tail, tail. These are total number of outcomes which can occur. Okay, now what we had to answer, like if we see A1 question number A, so it is saying at least 2 heads, meaning 2 heads must come, whether more than it can also come, but minimum 2 heads should come. So how many minimum 2 heads? See, minimum is saying, so they might be more than 2 also. So this one will be included 1. There are also 2 heads, 2, 3, 4, but not these because there are only one head. So we will write 4 by 8. 4 divided by 8 because total number of outcomes are 8. Now, at most one head. At most one head means like maximum one head can come. Whether there are 0, but 0 can also be there, but maximum 1 can come. Jada se jada we say it. At most one head. So it is more than 1. Yes, this can come 1, 2, and this also because 0 heads. I mean, no, this won't be because it is asking for tail. This can also come. This can come because there is no head, and it is saying at most one head, meaning no head also can be there. So this also, this also, this also, this also, this also. So there are total 5 of them. So we'll write no, not 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more I require. Only 4 are there. Yes, tail, 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 head, tail, head, head. Only 4 are there. Okay. So I will write 4. 4 upon 8. Now question number C. At least one head and one tail, which means one head also come should and one tail should also come. So if we see one head is there but tail is not there. So this won't be there. Tail is there, head is not there. Also this not. This can be there because one head is also there, one tail also. This can also be this also, and this also, this also, and this also. So total it will be 6 upon 8. Now D if we come on, wait, yes, D if we come on, so it is saying 2 tails and 1 head. So if you see over here, 2 tails and 1 head, but there is no, so 2 tails and 1 head, 2 tails and 1 head, and 2 tails and 1 head. So there are 3 of them. So answer will be 3 upon 8. Now E if you say 3 tails, chances of 3 tails. This cannot be, this can be because there are 3 tails. But none of the other contains 3 tails. So answer will be 1 by 8. See, I am not writing P getting at least 2 heads because I have already told you that how to write it in exam. Now our last F. F is one tail. So one tail means maximum one tail. Only one tail it is asking. So there is one tail, there one tail. Only three. 3 of them have one tail. So answer again will be 3 by 8. Now we have discussed for coins. Now we will discuss for the dice. So friends, over here, this is a question of a dice. So our question is, a die is thrown. Find the probability of getting an even number. So firstly, at starting, we will make a sample space as usual. So S meaning the sample space. Curly bracket, what? The sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and at last 6. Curly bracket close. Now wait, the curly bracket is too small. Yes. Now what we have to find? A. At A we have to find this even number, probability of getting an even number. So how many even number are there? 2, 4 and 6. So there are total 1, 2 and 3 numbers. So our probability will be 3 by 6. But if you write 1 by 2 then your answer will be wrong. Or if you want to write 1 by 2 then you can write like this. 3 by 6 or 1 by 2. You will have to write like this or your half marks will get deducted. Now B. B is multiple of 3. So how many multiples of 3 are here? 1 is not multiple, 2 is also not multiple, but 3 is multiple. 4 is not multiple, 5 is not multiple, but 6 is multiple. So 1 and 2. There are 2 possible outcomes over here. So it will be 2 upon 6. Now number C. In C it is asking multiple of 7. 1 is also not multiple of 7, 2 also not, 3 also not, 4 also not, 5 also not and 6 also not. So there are 0 possible outcomes. So our answer will be 0 by 6 or 0. So there is 0 chance of getting a multiple of 7. Now in D. D even multiple of 3. See there I have told you 3 and 6 are multiples of 3. But 3 is not even. Only 6 is even. So our probability will be 6. 6 means only one digit is possible. So our probability will be 1 upon 6. Now E. Let's come to E. E is getting number less than 5. See how many numbers are less than 5? 1, 2, 3 and 4, but 5 is not less than 5. So there are only 4 total outcomes out of 6. So our answer will be 4 upon 6. Now E. Now we will come to our last one, which is F. If I close this F, so now non-multiple of 5. See how many multiples of 5 are over here. This is also non-multiple, this is also not. See, I will mark the cross. This also not, this also not, this is also not, this is also not. But 5 is multiple of itself, and this is also not. So only one non-multiple of 5 is there. Only one multiple of 5 is there. But if we exclude it, so there will be 5 possible outcomes, because we have to find non-multiple which are not the multiple of 5. So there are 5 numbers which are not the multiple of 5. So our probability will be 5 divided by 6. This will be our probability. In this video, we will only do this much question. But if you want to ask any doubt, or if you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comments. And if you want some more videos over this chapter, then you can give your reply in comment. I will surely reply about your comment. Okay friends, bye bye. See you in the next class.